Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. This is Nayeem Mustakim. Now I'm going to present you the last two slides of our presentation. As you already know that we have taken a heart disease dataset problem, and from the dataset we have tried to figure out different meaningful information and break those data into some meaningful direction to show you that how the heart disease occurs and how the heart disease what is the main reason for the heart disease. So as you can see in this case we have taken the old peak parameter, and the old peak parameter, just to explain you in one sentence, the old peak is a stress test which basically define the depression induced by the exercise relative to test. So all of these individual data had to go through this exercise just to give us an idea who's scoring what, and from this data we can show you that if the person has got the heart disease problem or not. If you look closely at the diagram, as you can already see that the people who have scored 0.6 and less, on an average who have scored 0.6 and less, those people are affected by the heart disease. And on the other hand, the people who have scored on an average 1.6 or less, they do not have the heart disease. So by comparing these two factors, we can come to a conclusion that the higher numbers scored in the old peak are the people who do not have the heart disease, and the lower numbers scored in the old peak actually have actually do affected by the heart disease problem. Now coming on to the next slide, I would like to coming to the next slide. I would like to show you the relationship between the blood sugar, fasting blood sugar level, and the cholesterol level based on the gender. So just to demonstrate this, first I have to explain the parameters. The parameter number one is the sex, which represents one represents male and 0 represents female. On the other hand, the parameter 2, which is a fasting blood sugar, and in this case 1 means that person is affected by the fasting blood sugar, and 0 means the person do not have the fasting blood sugar. So if you look closely at the diagram, we can already see that across different age groups. So the age group starting from 30 to 75, we can see that the both male and female, those who have normal blood sugar, tend to have the average cholesterol level in control, which means the average cholesterol level is normal for them. And the people across different age groups, the people, I mean the male and female, who have the unusual cholesterol level, I mean the unusual fasting blood sugar, which also means that the people who have fasting blood sugar problems are directly affecting their cholesterol level as well, because the fasting blood sugar is directly causing this cholesterol increase of the cholesterol level. And we have already seen that how cholesterol level actually plays a big role for the heart disease problem in our human body. So these two diagrams are very much shows us that how the heart disease problems can be identified by different parameters. And we have already shown you that how we have already shown you that how to make this information, how this make this data can be converted as meaningful information. I hope you liked our presentation. Thank you so much, and if you have any questions, we would like to definitely like to answer that. Thank you.